What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm going to run through the top gapper altcoins on Coinbase exchange this weekend since Bitcoin rallied above the $20,000 mark. If you saw my video yesterday, I thought that when we hit 17.5 there, that was going to be the bottom for now, and that we would see a short recovery going into the next few days. Looks like that came true, which has resulted in a few of these altcoins rallying up, including the one that I've been watching for a while and holding a bag on, which was RBN. So it finally broke through this trend line I had been watching. And once it broke through, I began to take profits between 26 and 30 cents. So unfortunately, I didn't catch this whole big move, but I did fill again for I think like 2,000 shares a couple times and sold for a couple cents more. But after it touched below this trend line again, I was out and I stopped trading it and moved on. But nonetheless, just to give you guys a little update on what Ribbon Finance is, this is the 315th largest market cap crypto in the crypto space. It's about a $65 million total market cap. Touched down to its all-time low yesterday, which I'll be honest, I was sweating, but I had moved a little bit of extra of my funds into it to catch this move today. Looks like that was a good decision, but it was at an all-time low about yesterday at 16 cents. But this thing was up as high as $5.50 back in October of last year when it launched. And being that it is only a $65 million market cap, this thing can, fairly easily run up 100%, with a whale or somebody coming in and pushing this thing up. A lot of these coins that are running up today are very likely just, those who have exited out while Bitcoin was crashing and now are just coming back in to regain their positions. Then there's some pump and dumps going to be sprinkled along inside of that as well. But yeah, so Ribbon Finance, this is a coin that it's a protocol that helps users access crypto structured profits for DeFi. It combines options, futures, and fixed income to improve a portfolio's risk return profile. So that is Ribbon Finance, the top gapper on Sunday, June 19th for the Coinbase exchange. Next, we've got Render. This one also made a pretty good move today from about, what was it, like 3 o'clock? Yeah, 3 o'clock. It moved from about 36, 37 cents, clean up to 54 cents. That is a pretty strong move from the bottom here in just a couple hours. That's a 50% move. Has since retraced. Looks like it'll be coming back down probably to touch. Actually, no, it's touched this high point here. So we could see a little bit of consolidation, maybe a bull flag form here, and then if Bitcoin continues up, this could continue rising as well. So just a little info on Render. This is the number 218 in the market cap ranking with a market cap nearly double RBN there at $110 million. Its all-time high was $8.78, and this thing has been as low as 3.5 cents about 2 years ago. Octane Render, this is the world's first and fastest GPU accelerated physically correct renderer. Uses graphics cards in your computer to render photorealistic images super fast. So this is going to be good. This is a protocol that's going to be useful for effect studios, artists, animators, design architects, engineers, and probably those that are creating NFTs. So pretty interesting stuff there. I'm going to go ahead and say I feel good about that on CoinGecko, and looks like 87% of those who voted also agree. So next on the top gappers list, we've got, where did it go? We've got Cryptic. So let's take a look at Cryptic. This one's currently sitting at 15 cents. Made a pretty strong move since 5 o'clock this morning, from about 12 cents all the way up to 21 cents, or 20.5 cents or so, and that was about a 70% run. So this one is also a newer coin that launched just a couple weeks or a couple months back. But we'll take a look at Crypterium. So this one's a very low market cap. This is only $13 million. So this thing can run up pretty quickly if it has some good news or some new attention gained. I mean, in comparison to being in the top 200, for example, it would need to be in about a 10x its current price. So that would put it at about $1.50. So this one, with a small position, noting that it probably is a high risk and low liquidity coin, does have the potential to move up very, very quickly based off of its market cap. Crypterium is a revolutionary digital mobile crypto bank. Crypterium is aiming on provision of comprehensive vertical integrated services, considering collaboration with other cryptocurrency solution and teams of blockchain enthusiasts. So really not a lot of information on what Crypterium does. So again, this might be one that's interesting for a swing trade or to trade the momentum that's going on with it. But certainly no recommendations from me here on investing on this one. And then the last one I wanted to touch on here is UPI. This one also launched not too long ago. When was this? Back middle of February. Constant downtrend since, but looks like it almost trying to form a little double bottom here at about 16 cents. It is also a lower market cap coin. Interesting. UPI is not listed on CoinGecko yet, so we might have to go to CoinMarket to get some information on it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so let's see. This was formally launched back in 2018 as a global online community of pet lovers who aim to disrupt the pet industry by leveraging blockchain technology to monetize data about their pets, improve owners' purchasing experience, and help veterinarians deliver better care. So honestly, I don't see a lot of value in that in the long term, but there are a lot of people out there who love their pets just as much as they love their children. So, they might be onto something here. Currently has a market cap of just over $5 million, which is super tiny, although the fully diluted market cap is over 20 million. So that means there's only about a quarter of all of the coins available in this crypto that are, currently circulating. So yeah, those are the top 5 cryptos. By the way, I used this TradingView crypto screener to identify some of these. Oh, it looks like I missed one here, which is Super. That one's up 30%. But as you can see, a lot of these coins that are up 30-40% currently have a sell technical rating. With SNX over here still has a buy rating, but that is only against Bitcoin. I would love to see what it shows against the USD. So against the euro, the Great British Pound, and US dollar, it's all got a sell rating. But anyways, I just wanted to run through the top gappers we saw today. It was a lot of movement going on. Definitely some money that was available to be made. Got me back to a break-even point. I'm actually up about $300, so that's good. And I am still currently sitting in my trade with ALCX, which as long as we continue to make higher lows, I am very optimistic that this one is going to slowly but surely continue on up and hopefully see a little pop up to the $25 mark. So that's where I currently sit, and that is what happened in crypto today. Like, share, leave a comment. Thank you for all your support. No shirt gang for life. Always remember to get your mind right before you trade and never trade more than you can afford to lose. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks.